Hello learners, welcome back to SYNCRONOID. I am Sayan. So today we are going to learn how can we create a project in Android Studio very easily and quickly. So before starting this video, if you're watching from YouTube, please subscribe. If you're watching from Facebook, Instagram or LinkedIn, please make sure you follow SYNCRONOID. So let's open the Android Studio first. Let's go to the files, click on the new project. Select the empty view activity, press the next button, name your application, my first application. If you want to create this app in Java, then click in Java. If you want to create this app in Kotlin, then click in Kotlin and choose your minimum API and click in the finish. So here our new project is ready. So that's how you can create your project in Android Studio very easily. So that's for today guys. So if you find this video a little bit informative, then please make sure you subscribe SYNCRONOID in YouTube. If you're watching from Facebook, LinkedIn or Instagram, make sure you follow SYNCRONOID. So this quick tutorial is for today guys. We will meet in next video. Keep learning and ride.